Bicycles offer freedom, fitness, and fun. They're more than just machines, they're companions on adventures. But like any trusty steed, your bike needs care. Regular maintenance keeps your bike running smoothly and safely. It can even extend its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. A well-maintained bike is a joy to ride. It will be more efficient, responsive, and safe. By taking the time to care for your bike, you'll enjoy countless miles of trouble-free riding. This guide provides simple steps for keeping your bike in top shape. From cleaning to adjustments, you'll learn the basics of bike maintenance. Let's get started. Just like you wouldn't skip showering after a muddy ride, your bike needs a regular cleaning too. Dirt, grime, and road grit are your bike's enemies. They can cause premature wear and tear on the frame, chain, gears, and other components. Regular cleaning is the first step to a happy bike. Start by giving your bike a general wipe down with a damp cloth. Use a bike-specific degreaser for the chain, cassette, the set of gears on the rear wheel, and derailleurs, the mechanisms that move the chain. A brush helps to loosen stubborn grime. Rinse the bike thoroughly with water. Dry it completely with a clean cloth. Don't forget to lubricate your chain after cleaning. More on that in the next section. Lubrication is essential for reducing friction between moving parts. This helps your bike run smoothly, quietly, and efficiently. It also prevents rust and corrosion, extending the life of your components. Apply bike-specific lubricant to your chain, derailleur pivots, and cable housings. Avoid using WD-40 as a lubricant. It's a solvent, not a true lubricant. For the chain, apply a drop of lubricant to each roller as you slowly backpedal. Wipe off any excess lubricant with a rag. Over-lubrication can attract dirt and grime. Your tires are your only contact with the road. Proper tire maintenance is crucial for a safe and enjoyable ride. Check your tire pressure regularly. You'll find the recommended pressure range printed on the sidewall of the tire. Use a bike pump with a gauge to inflate your tires to the correct pressure. Inspect your tires for wear and tear. Look for cuts, cracks, or embedded objects. Replace worn tires promptly. Learn how to fix a flat tire. It's an essential skill for any cyclist. Carry a spare tube, tire levers, and a pump with you on every ride. Practice changing a tire at home so you're prepared when you're out on the road. Your brakes are your lifeline. They need to be in top working order at all times. Regularly inspect your brake pads for wear. Replace them when they become thin. Check your brake cables for fraying or damage. Make sure the cables are properly tensioned so your brakes engage effectively. Your gears allow you to tackle hills and ride efficiently. Ensure your gears shift smoothly and without hesitation. If your gears are slipping or jumping, your derailleur cables may need adjusting. You can find instructions on how to adjust derailleur cables online or in your bike's manual. Your bike should fit you like a glove. Adjust the handlebar height and angle for a comfortable riding position. Make sure your seat is at the correct height and angle for efficient pedaling and knee comfort. Regularly check all the bolts and nuts on your bike. Use a torque wrench if you have one to ensure they are tightened to the correct specifications. Loose components can be dangerous. Don't be afraid to experiment with different handlebar and seat positions until you find what feels best for you. A comfortable bike is a more enjoyable bike.
Know you've been a good friend.
Proper storage can extend the life of your bike. Store your bike in a cool, dry place. Avoid leaving it in direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. If you store your bike outdoors, invest in a good quality bike cover to protect it from the elements. Hang your bike on a wall-mounted hook or store it on a bike stand to save space and keep it off the ground. This helps prevent accidental damage. Send in the comments. What do you want me to talk in the next video?